So hello and welcome to another update about gold futures. Don't be surprised, there might be a little bit of background noise in this video, but I wanted to give you a quick update, and the price is still in this overall upside diagonal pattern. It hasn't changed. In fact, the support area we talked about in the last video is still holding. You might remember it from the last video that I explained to you that we're likely in this C wave to the upside as per the white wave count of a third wave. No, the third wave is an ABC structure because we're dealing with a larger degree diagonal pattern. It's a very complex wave count, and I have to admit I've run out of wave degrees, so don't necessarily try to understand every little structure here. But it's, I think, important to recognize that we are most likely dealing with not an impulsive structure, but a diagonal that we have from this swing low in September, a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down. The third wave is now unfolding as an ABC structure. Then we could get a fourth wave afterwards and a fifth wave that would complete wave C of a larger third wave, then a larger fourth wave and a larger fifth wave. So we are not done yet with the move up, most likely not. Looking at the microstructure, I zoom in a little bit. The idea was that before we actually start, here the larger fourth wave here, that we should push one more time a little bit higher. I gave you in the last update here this support area between 2706 and 2733, and I assume wave 4 unfolded as an ABC structure here, and we could now be in this fifth wave, and the next upside levels to watch are 2791 and 2812. So as per this structure, the fifth wave should be unfolding. I mean, we could still be in the fourth, but idea is that one more high is at least likely. It would look best with one more high, and that we probably should finish this move in the area between 2791 to 2812. Then the fourth wave will likely start. I have to adjust the target area just slightly for wave 4, or let's rather call it support area. But bear in mind, it will need to be adjusted if the price pushes a little bit higher. I assume we will go a little higher next week. Okay, we might fall back into support, but then as long as we're holding this upper support area, as long as if we test the support area again before breaking higher, I assume this is still the internal 4, which could just stretch out a little bit. But once we make another higher high, then I will watch any pullback, or I will see any pullback as this fourth wave. And support is currently between 2614 and 2693. But this support area will have to move up with the price as the price climbs a little higher. So I think these are all the levels you need to know for now. If we even break below 2614, but there's nothing, there's no evidence for that at this stage, then we could already be in an even larger degree fourth wave. So we're at a point where the structure has created enough, let's say, cushions to support the price, even in alternative bullish scenarios, should we go down a little bit. But overall, no change. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. Link in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.